A tiny AI just shocked the whole world. And no, it didn't come from OpenAI. It wasn't made by Google or Anthropic. It came from a startup in Singapore, and it's rewriting the rules of AI. Meet HRM, Human Reasoning Machine. Just 27 million parameters, that's all. But somehow, it's beating billion-scale models. You might ask, how is that possible? Is it faster? Bigger? Trained on more? No, it's just built differently. Let's break it down, because this matters. Most AI models think step by step. They use what's called chain of thought. It's like solving problems with inner speech. But one wrong step breaks the whole solution. HRM doesn't use that fragile chain. It loops thoughts like a human brain. It plans, acts, checks, and then retrieves. This looped thinking changes everything. Now, before you say, "Sounds familiar," let's look at what makes HRM special. First, HRM has two separate parts: a high-level planner and a worker unit. The planner thinks slow and smartly. The worker executes fast and precise. They talk to each other in loops: plan, act, feedback, revise, repeat. Just like your brain when problem-solving. And here's the kicker. It actually works. In ARC AGI benchmarks, a tough test, HRM scored 40.3%. Absolutely insane. Claude 3.7, just 21.2% on same test. OpenAI's top compact model, 34.5%. HRM beat them both with ease. Still think it's hype? Let's talk about real-world puzzles. Sudoku, hard and extreme levels. HRM solved 55% of them with ease. Claude and OpenAI models? 0%. Yes, you heard right. 0. Nothing. Then came the maze test challenge. 30 by 30 grid. Pure logic chaos. HRM solved 74.5% of them perfectly. Other models? Again, absolutely nothing. But here's where it gets crazier. HRM trained on only 1,000 examples, and it reached pro-level Sudoku in 2 hours. 2 GPU hours, that's all it took. No giant datasets, no months of pre-training, no massive computing clusters, just smart design and smart thinking. And this architecture solves deeper problems. Let's rewind for a second. LLMs like GPT, Claude, and Gemini. They all think in fixed steps only. They process the same way, always. They can't pause and rethink output. Once the token's generated, it's locked in. There's no way to backtrack and improve. HRM? It can rethink mid-process. If it hits a tough task, it loops. It thinks more, refines deeper, and adapts. Some versions use reinforcement learning too. They choose how many loops to perform. Simple task? Maybe 3 rounds. Hard one? Loop until it's figured out. That's flexible intelligence, true thinking. There's even more power under the hood. HRM doesn't use deep backpropagation chains. It updates weights using local gradients instead. This is closer to the human brain, and it makes training way more efficient. Less memory. Faster updates. Better scaling. You could even run it on a laptop. Imagine AI agents not in data centers, but in your car, phone, or smartwatch. And the best part? It's open source. Yes, fully available right now on GitHub. You can download, train, and test it. No paywalls, no corporate restrictions. That kind of transparency is rare today. And HRM is not just a research toy. It's being tested in real-world fields. In healthcare, it's diagnosing rare diseases. In climate science, it's forecasting seasons with 97% accuracy. And it's just the beginning. So who's behind this insane creation? The team includes minds from DeepMind, Anthropic, DeepSeek, even engineers from Elon Musk's XAI group. These aren't just AI hobbyists. These are top-level architects in AI. And their vision? To move past massive language models, to build true reasoning agents like HRM, while OpenAI battles leaks and pressure. While Google experiments with scaled-up LLMs, this tiny model is changing the direction. It's not about scale anymore. It's about smart architecture and human-like loops. So what does this all mean for us? It means the future of AI is shifting. From bloated models to lean, efficient agents. From static answers to adaptive reasoning. From data center giants to personal assistants. We're entering a new AI generation now, and HRM is one of its first signs. This is just the beginning, not the end. Many teams are testing wild new ideas, single-bit AIs, continuous thought systems, reinforcement reasoning, diffusion brains, and more. But, unlike others, HRM already works. And it's not theoretical anymore. So what do you think about HRM? Will this change the future of AI forever? Will GPT-style models soon become obsolete? Or is this just a promising beginning? Let us know in the comments below. Hit the like if you enjoyed this breakdown. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates.